To draw umbrella, we'll start by drawing a line and a perpendicular line. We'll put word U here, and on this line we'll draw curve, and then we'll just form a big curve. The way we have done this, we'll do a big one here. So this is the basic of umbrella. Now using a pen, we'll start drawing the umbrella. All we are doing here is tracing the pencil marks and the handle. This will be the handle and there will be a button. Now after we finish, we'll erase the pencil marks or the overlaying lines. Once we have finished with this, we'll put a circle on the top. From this point we'll connect the circle, so just sketch along with me if you don't get that easily. So after doing this curved line, we'll darken this junction, and once we have finished this, we'll start coloring. So I'll be using yellow color. You can apply color. You can use paint, crayons or color pencils. And now for the stick and base, and that is how we draw umbrella.